Hey bro chicas, so since my kids are in the toy room and they are distracted and my husband is doing the yard right now, I have the kitchen to myself and I'm going to do a super informal keto grocery haul, but it's basically gonna be showing you what's in my fridge and what's in my pantry because I did put everything away already. It is 4th of July, so happy belated 4th of July because this won't be up for probably a couple days. And let's just get straight into it. If you want to see what I bought for this week's food options, LaZy keto, then just keep watching. All right, let's start in the fridge. She's kind of messy, so don't get after me. I got one of these, just one. Sometimes I get tired of drinking water, so I'll like split this up into 3 days. And this is the Glacier Cherry, 0 Gatorade. So obviously 0, everything tastes pretty good. But like I said, I am super lazy, pretty much dirty keto now, just because I'm living my best life and enjoying myself, and I just get tired of water. So that's a little something to spice it up. We always get 2 packs of sugar-free Jell-O for desserts, and we have a little bit of whipped cream on top. And the other pack is in the pantry, but we do like a cold one in here. We have been getting this a lot recently, and this is our local grocery store, H-E-B. They make their own queso. We get the hot pepper. And this has 1 carb for 2 tablespoons, so not too bad. And we like to eat these with plain pork rinds, which I will show you in a minute. We got Corona Premier. I believe it's, less than 3 carbs per bottle. So this is like the lowest carb beer where you still have alcohol content, if that makes sense. And it is 4th of July, so we are going to be drinking today. And this is our favorite beer to go with. We get a 36 pack of eggs. Of course, we do that every single week. This is one of our meat options. I don't know if I want to take it all out, but it's basically just a pork loin. It's a huge pork loin. What else? I got some celery to put into our chicken salads and our egg salads. They were out of regular strawberries, so I got some raspberries because in the summertime it's so hot, I always need a fruit. We also picked up a watermelon wedge because that is low carb if you just have a little bit of it. And I love fruit, you guys. That's one thing, is I wish I could go ham on eating fruit, but it does have carbs. But you can have a little watermelon, you can. So I also picked up 2 limes, and that is for the beer. We picked up an onion because we like to add that to our chicken salads and egg salads. I picked up 1 avocado. I haven't been eating that much avocado, but I do like to have some in the house. We got, this drawer is stuffed. We got a huge romaine lettuce. We picked up 2 pounds of zucchini because we are going to be making keto lasagna, and this is what we use as the noodles, zucchini. We also picked up some boar's head pastrami, and I will let you know why in just a few minutes. And for the pastrami, we also got some American sliced cheese. This is our favorite, less than 1 carb per slice. Everything else in here we already had. We have some uncured ham. This is gonna be going into a keto chicken cordon bleu recipe. And then we have some cream cheese. We always have that on hand. We picked up this Italian shredded blend that is for the keto lasagna. 2 carbs per 1/4 cup. Not the best, but. We got another Kerrygold butter. Always need that. And that, we're gonna be using a lot of it for the chicken cordon bleu recipe. And then the sour cream is in replace of ricotta for the keto lasagna. I picked up a 2nd heavy whipping cream, of course. We picked up a 2nd mustard. Hubby really likes mustard mixed with mayonnaise, so he had to get a backup. Is that everything in here for us? Yes, I think it is. All right, let's move on to the freezer. We picked up this family size broccoli with cheese sauce. Hubby has been loving this. We picked up another 5-pound bag of frozen chicken breast tenderloins. They were on sale in the past few weeks, so we've been getting them. So we have another. So we have basically 10 pounds of chicken breast. But chicken breast is so great because you can add the fat with butter, with cream cheese, with Alfredo sauce. I mean, there's so many ways that you can add fat to chicken breast, and it never goes bad because it's frozen, or it doesn't go bad for a long time. So it's really great to have in there. We also picked up some ground beef. We got 2.5 pounds of ground beef, and we freeze that because we're not ready to make it yet. And we picked up 2 pounds of sausages, hot Italian sausage for the lasagna, and a mild Italian sausage because we're gonna make fathead dough pizza later. Let's step on into the pantry. I'm gonna put my light on for this one. So this week, the Chicharrones were on sale. They were 3 for $4, so we got 3 plain ones. We started to get the plain ones because they don't contain sugar. Not like I'm the most strict ketoer anyways, but I do like the plain ones. I got some salsa this week because I wanted to try dipping it into salsa, and then also the queso that I showed you in the fridge. This was from last week. I still have almond milk. Oh, we forgot protein powder. Oh my gosh, I'm so sad. Oops. Okay, so we picked up another mayonnaise. We've been using the Hellmann's because it's the cheapest and we go through it so fast. Like, as much as I want to use the really expensive good mayonnaise, I just can't afford to buy those little jars. So we did this one. It had a coupon this week. Parmesan cheese for the lasagna. We always keep tuna. When we're in a pinch, we can make tuna real quick. This is the second pack of Jell-O I showed you. We picked up some G Hughes sugar-free ketchup, another Walden Farms pancake syrup, and a brand new sun butter, no sugar added, sunflower seed butter. I really like that in my little Nutella smoothies that I showed you guys a while ago. I have a recipe on it. And then we got some pizza sauce for the lasagna and the fathead dough. Of course, we have to get dessert. So we got the LaZy's salted caramel milk chocolate bar and the LaZy's salted almond milk chocolate bar. Last 2 things we picked up were the Carb Sense tortillas. We just haven't been able to live without these recently. Yeah, I really like having these. So they're 3 carbs per tortilla, not too bad. We got 2 packs of those, and then we got this Thin Slim Foods 0 carb bread because we are going to make pastrami and cheese sandwiches. That's one of the things that we used to have in the beginning of our marriage. It was like such a staple lunch for us, and we miss it so much. So since we discovered this bread, we were like, oh my gosh, let's have pastrami and cheese sandwiches. I'm so excited. Now, I know this is like a super lazy keto, dirty keto, I know, but you gotta do what you gotta do to make the best choices you can, but still be happy and still enjoy the food that you're eating. So this is just the stage we're in right now. We're maintaining our weight, we're happy, and we're enjoying life. And I'm so happy that they have these things. Am I in ketosis? Probably not, but I'm still low carb. I just call myself keto because it is easier. I always shop with a keto mindset. I always eat with a keto mindset. I try to shoot for those keto macros, but I am not perfect. And this has 0 carbs because of the fiber. So if you're really strict keto, you're not going to consider this keto, but for lazy keto, this totally is awesome. I love it. I love having it around. That concludes everything we picked up this week for dinners, lunches, breakfasts, so on and so forth. So I hope that this gave you a little bit of inspiration. I know sometimes I like to go watch grocery hauls if I'm like trying to put together my grocery list for the week and I have no idea what I want to eat. Like, I'm not inspired by anything. So I hope that this was helpful. If you are also low carb or lazy keto, whatever you want to call it. And thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.